What's up dolls, it's me your girl American Gyaru, and in today's video I want to do gel nails. Gel nail polish is like perfect when you want to have some color on your nails, you want a professional look and you want it to be done really quickly. Also, if you get acrylics or use press-on nails like myself, then after a while it will damage the surface of your nails, so I definitely like to mix it up. This video can be for anyone who's interested in wanting to try out gel nails but not sure how it works. I hope you enjoy watching this very easy gel nail polish tutorial.
Just listen to me as I say, listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams are yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it.
This is the new gel polish that I got from Born Pretty, and I'm super excited because I saw it and I saw that they were neon colors. And because it is spring going into summer, I figured I would definitely try these neon colors. I've been craving neon, probably because of the season changing. But obviously, gel nail polishes, you can get them anywhere. But if you do like any of these nail polishes, then I will definitely leave the link down below. I got some really fun colors. Things that you are going to be needing are, of course, gel nail polish, a base coat, as well as a top coat. This is what's going to seal the nail polish and give it that professional look. I also, a little nail clipper. You're going to need a filer, and I also have some clean wipes. You would definitely want to get rid of any excess oil. I don't think you can really see it, but my nails are super damaged and thin, so that's why I really needed to stop with my press-on nails and give it a break. I have lots of little accessories, but it's not necessary. These are little jewels. And you're also gonna need a UV LED light. So you can get them on Amazon. My nails are uneven, so I am gonna trim it a little bit. I'm going in with the base coat. Like I said, guys, this is really quick, so it's like perfect. You have to head to work or you're going out with your friends or on a date. Right now I have friends and company over, so for me this is actually perfect because having your nails done will definitely do wonders in your mood. Definitely puts a smile on my face when I have my nails done. I have my base on. I do have 6 colors here. I want to make them different and fun. I'm going to start with the orange color. And as you can see, it's really beautiful and neon. And then if you get it on your sides, no problem, you can easily just swipe it off. So far, it's looking so cute. My mood is already changing to more fun, exciting, and gel nail polish is such a great alternative, guys, especially if you have to have short nails for work or just because you have an active lifestyle, but you still want to look cute. Gel nail polish is the way to go, guys. Green is actually one of my favorite colors, so I'm so excited to try out the green colors, guys. But you see how professional it looks? Having color is so amazing. Like I said, gel nail polishes. And we're not even done yet. It's gonna look even cuter when you have a top coat. I swear, the affordability as well. All you need is your UV light and some gel polishes. So low maintenance and so cost effective. I can't even tell you guys. I counted wrong. Hello, I only have 5 fingers and I was thinking that I have 6 fingers. So I was gonna use all of them. Now, I don't know what to do. I have a dilemma, because I definitely want to try both of the green colors. There's 2 green shades. I have FOMO. I need to be able to use all of the colors. That's just what we're gonna do. On my other hand, I'm gonna use this more light lime green. I don't really have a favorite color. I like all colors, and at the same time, I love no colors. It's amazing how much I contradict myself. Oh my gosh, and can you believe this? I thought this was green, guys, but this is actually yellow. I'm gonna use her on this pointer finger. So this is really cool. I've got yellow on one finger, green on the other. Both lovely. You can do 2 coats. Sometimes you only need to do 1. So it just really depends on the consistency and how bubbly you want them. I like my gel nails to be extra bubbly. So normally I would do 2, but with these, the formula is super great and thick. So I only need to do 1 coat. But you can definitely do more than 1 coat if you really like that extra bubbly texture and feel. Now the way I'm doing it is 1 finger at a time. Obviously, you could totally do your whole hand. I was just doing different colors. As you saw, it's really not that difficult, but if you want an even faster look, obviously if you use 1 color, just paint your nails, put your whole hand in here, and you will be done in about 60 seconds normally. This light cure is so awesome. It cures so quickly that I don't even have to put it in for the full 60 seconds, but normally 60 seconds will make sure that it's all nice and dry. So you can see it is so cute, but we're not done yet. We still need to put the top coat on, and it's super shiny. Let's go ahead and take care of that, and we will be on our way. Okay, so we are gonna finish with the top coat, and we'll be all done. This literally took less than 15 minutes. One thing I forgot to mention is that you definitely want to seal the tips. That will make your gel polish last a lot longer. So no chipping. I'm gonna leave it in for about 40 more seconds just because I put a lot of thick layers on it because I like my nails, again, very bubbly. So there you have it. You have nice little fun gel nails and they look so professional, guys. And they will last for about 2 weeks, so you really can't go wrong with these. All right, so now I'm ready to go have some fun with my nails and probably get a lot of compliments. So definitely, if you are new, trying out gel nails for the first time, trust me, you will definitely appreciate the professional look it gives you. It's so fun, and especially if you have to have short nails like myself for work and just because I live a more active hand lifestyle, always on my computer, then yeah. And you want to still feel good? Definitely. Who says short nails are boring? If you guys like any of these nail polishes, I will definitely leave the links down below if you're interested. But if not, I will see you guys in my next video. If you like more videos like this, definitely hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss up on any of my uploads. I love you so much. Stay gorgeous, stay amazing, keep shining as you should, and do not ever let anyone else make you feel otherwise. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, dolls.
Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I say.